Hi everybody, Jackie here with Brian Weber of Weber Automotive. How are you doing today?
Doing good, Jackie. How are you?
I'm doing well.
Good.
So today we're talking about transmission repair. And this is a cool topic because a lot of people don't hear about repairing transmissions.
Yeah, or even think about it much anymore.
So tell me about what you guys are doing at Weber Automotive with transmission repair.
So to step back from the basics, I guess, every car's got a transmission. There's an engine, there's a transmission after the engine that converts the power and changes gears, gear ratios to the wheels to drive it forward. There's a fluid in the transmission that most manufacturers now are saying is a lifetime fluid. It means you never have to change it. Or it's good for the life of the transmission, which is true. But if you want to extend the life of the transmission, change the fluid. So we recommend you change the fluid every 60 to 70,000 miles. The transmission will run a lot longer.
So it might seem like some money now, and you're saying, well, the manufacturer tells me I don't need to do it. I don't want to spend that money. But in the long run, you're going to be saving a lot of money.
An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure all day long.
I love that phrase. I love that. So if you do go in with a transmission problem and you're going to a technician who's not going to open it up, they're not going to look at it, they're not going to try to repair it, they're going to replace it, that's going to cost a pretty penny.
A fortune. So if you have a transmission issue, the transmission's not shifting right, or you take it someplace with a transmission malfunction code, many places, including the manufacturing dealers, don't have technicians that can get inside of them. They'll take the transmission out, they put another transmission in, $4,000 to $6,000 to $8,000 later, depending on the vehicle. In many cases, there's a component in the transmission that's gone bad that can be replaced and can be serviced for maybe $1,000 to $2,000 in comparison.
Wow.
It's a fraction of the cost.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a fraction of the cost. So you guys at Weber Automotive, you guys are certified technicians, and you have the ability to go in the transmission, see what's wrong,
Absolutely.
Take it out, and replace that first.
Absolutely.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's huge. So if you guys are having issues with your transmission, or that check engine light came on, it could be your transmission, and you don't need to get it replaced. There's options for repairs. Give Brian Weber at Weber Automotive a call, or visit them online at weberautomotive.com to learn about their services. There is a transmission page on your services drop down that they can look at for more information as well. So thank you so much for telling us about this. Really
Thanks,
good
Jackie.
topic.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.